Welcome everyone. Today we're looking at the 2023 Ninja H2R. With its supercharged engine, it truly is a masterpiece of engineering.
Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a quick look at the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one of the most extreme performance motorcycles ever built. Engine and performance. The Ninja H2R is powered by a supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and enormous power. Its supercharger technology gives the bike an unmistakable combination of speed and engineering excellence. Design and technology. The H2R features an aggressive aerodynamic design, premium components, advanced electronics, and distinctive carbon fiber aerodynamic elements. Every detail is focused on high-performance riding. Riding experience. Built primarily for closed-course use, the Ninja H2R is designed for riders who demand exceptional performance. Its advanced chassis, powerful brakes, and sophisticated electronics help manage its incredible capability. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than a motorcycle. It's a showcase of Kawasaki's engineering ambition. If you love extreme superbikes, the H2R is truly in a class of its own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow King Bike for more motorcycle content.